YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. A ride for 100 likes if you don't mind, appreciate it. Thank you. All right, so we can recap. I took Lil Wave to the movies on Saturday to watch Super Mario, the Super Mario Brothers movie. And during that time, my phone had cracked when I was in DR, back at the joint, so I had to drop my joint off for Apple. But anyway, F all that. Since I was already at Bay Plaza, what the hey, let's go to Nike, you know what I'm saying? See what they don't have up in there. So we're gonna fall up in there right quick. After we discuss what was in that joint, I got a summer pickup, you know what I'm saying? Definitely got one, fragrance style, out. Look how fat that bag is. Mario time.
Counting money, I need more fingers. Fucking broke R&B niggas is playing for the Knicks. Damn poor singers, it's raw English. Ghetto ebonics, I promise you we breaking promises. If ever we promise, I promise we hiding from police. If ever we hiding, school of hard knocks, we never seen college. Forever be honest, them niggas hating on you. They'll text you the emoji with the prayer hands. They ain't even praying for you. I'm just saying, you scared to say it, I say it for you. They call you crazy until you make it and say it's normal. But life ain't fair. I feel it when you lose something, go to the lost and found, and it ain't there. Still living single like Ray Jean and St. Clair. I'm the only nigga on Scared Straight that ain't scared. Double up on Rilla. I hated playing tag as a youngin'. Fuck, I look like running from a nigga. Shit, I work on demand, I work in advance. I listen, you work for a man that work for the man. You trippin', put on my thinking cap and started capping. Them niggas funny style, but I ain't laughing. Hip hop's adapting. We in the era where niggas say I ain't a rapper while they rapping. My son and my niece, my only friends. I'm feeling myself, might slide in my own DM. And it's a money hungry religion. Listen, they say love is blind, as if the hater give you 20/20 vision. My nigga Cal back in my life, cake in my hand like Ike Turner smacking his wife. I take him all the way to the left, then back to the right, then it's straight to the cup like half of a pint. That was a vice. Mob deep and cause havoc. It's better y'all behave. Been a prodigy. Now I'm sick of selling y'all the wave. Ever saw a slave letting off his rage that it lost in cage? I perform. You ain't spend a second on the stage. Engage. Telling niggas you busy, I get busy. You asked to visit your son. My son live with me. The best raise the climate. The feds think I'm honest cause I'm free. Like the Cash App next day deposit. Vets pay the homage. I'm fly like I fell asleep in the mall and woke up in Craig's Sega closet. I'm blessed, they demonic. I shine like my son's halo. Too much Legos, my son got enough Play-Doh. Plus they know I'm safe cause the guns stay close. I'm looking up like Drake when he hugged J-Lo. So what you know about this? You know how many hoes out hit that I don't even go out with? Shit, they lost in comical, often dramaful. Y'all just follow whoever for them tour bus chronicles. Everybody asking me who I vote for. Nah, the better question is who I wrote for. Cause you know who wrote, you know what, for you know him. Let's keep that between me and them. But indeed we offend. The soul of the week was in Miami, and I ain't even go to the beach. You know, and if we endangered, then y'all in some danger too. Fighting for my dogs like I punch a kangaroo. When you got a lawyer that's good, they can't fuck with you. Gotta get comfortable being uncomfortable. I made way, but it ain't that easy to find me. Back to back like I got a twin and we Siamese. Back to back like a chiropractor. The chiropractor, you fire at me, then I'm firing back with an iron strap. Whatever you niggas supplying, I'm supplying that. The way that I hustle, see I can sell it, then buy it back. For less the amount that I sold it, then make you buy it back. For twice the amount plus shipping, now how fly is that? Damn. Reason I'm reading the defense like I'm a Reza. Reaching to see Serena, receiving what I was reaping. The grim Reaper could see that I'm just as evil as he was when he defeated his demons. Meet me in the arena. I'm seated by the ones who can oversee the conceited. I feed him feet to his fetus, just hoping that he bulimic. See, look, your main bitches be my other hoes. You couldn't walk in my shoes, like, what are those? This that feeling when you know by something no one knows.
Hey, if y'all like the vid, 400 likes, appreciate it, thank you. What did I see up in there? I was kind of hyped. I did see the Wizards, the Jordan 3s, but they only had a 10.5. I was surprised though, pause if you have to. I was surprised though that I saw them damn 11s. Like, they had some sizes up in that joint. I was like, okay, you know, but I already got them, so there was no point getting two pairs. Now it was 2003, you know what I'm saying, or 2002, 2001, brother, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, definitely, but I didn't feel like definitely didn't need a double up. They had some dunks up in there, high top joints. You already know they got the uptowns. Yeah, a couple ups. Yo, those mids though, I be looking at them joints kind of like, ain't no know what I'm saying?
No, I do not know what you were saying, and neither would anyone else with an ounce of respect for the English language.
I don't know, but they're pretty nice. For the 80-something, I have to go back and look. But if it was like 80-something, yeah, I think I would cop. So that was on me. They had the 7s. I don't recall seeing the Jordan 2, but they had the DJ Khaled's. I saw those in there. I heard somebody like, oh, they got the Khaled. Yeah, they didn't really. It wasn't that, you know. Tell me what championship DJ Khaled won. Nah, but anyway, gear-wise, the only thing I really saw other than they had a New York Yankee tee, but but yo, those woven shorts, you know I'm a sucker for them damn shorts. They had them yellow joints. And speaking of yellow, I've been eyeing those Uptown Lows, them yellow joints for a second, but I don't know, that might be a little too much. Maybe a real summertime flow. But anyway, man, F all that. Speaking of summer, hey, I got a fragrance for the summer, finally, you know what I'm saying? Drunk off Red Dog as we roll through the Mr. Fog. I don't know about that, you know? In my rolling call. Hell yeah, finally got me a joint. Word. And shout out to Shot Scent. He was the one that told me, yeah, you might as well get that. I said, cool. Tell I'm a noob. I thought it was just gonna come just the bottle. Anyway, I gotta show off the display. Boom, Bond number 9, centerpiece for him. Yeah, I've been hearing a lot about this fragrance right here. Watching a few videos. Bowtie Fragrance Guy. Yeah, Bowtie Fragrance Guy. That's the cat that put me onto this, because he's been speaking about it for a while. I said, you know what? It's time to pull the trigger. Here we go. Centerpiece, Bond number 9. Hell yeah. I've liked the bottle. I think this will really stand out, even in like a collection. Not just having one, you know, so you gotta get a few of them joints like lined up and shit. But my next joint is probably gonna be Sutton Place. But anyway, let's check it out. Yeah, I get tight if I was on. No, give me a second. I want to make sure I get the whole spray. Oh, right away. Yeah, nah, this joint smells good. Definitely smell. Yeah, this is summer joint right here, for real. I definitely don't want to lose my top. I can see Lil Wave messing this joint up. But anyway, talk about these notes. So for the top notes, you got pineapple, juniper, and bergamot. For the middle notes, you got currant buds. And for the base notes, you have vetiver and cedar. And for some of the reviews, I've heard that this is like a real, woody aroma. But, you know what I'm saying? Me, still a noob. I'm just really into fragrances all of a sudden now. One thing is, I'm definitely, yeah. I mean, it's one thing to be looking flying shit, but it's another thing for, you know, get a compliment like, oh. Matter of fact, in another video I'm gonna do, I've had 2 compliments so far, 2. I give it a 50-50 toss-up, and it ain't for my rib either, you know what I'm saying? But I give it, like I say, it's a 50-50 toss-up, you know what I'm saying? For real. But anyway, yeah, man, so yeah, I'm definitely happy about this joint. Like I said, my next Bond number 9 pickup is probably gonna be Sutton Place. Definitely, I believe so. I believe I'm gonna definitely go after that Sutton Place. Then after that, it's one more that I'm looking at. I don't know if it's Hamptons or the one with all like the flags or whatever on it, but yeah, something like that. Then I'll do a shift. But yeah, we'll speak about any other brand after that. But yeah, man, so it's my Bond number 9 right here. Let me know if y'all got this joint. Let me know if y'all happy about it. How much projection do you have with this right here? In my mind, I don't see this being, I don't see this being like no 9-hour projection. I don't know. But yeah, hey, I ain't gonna, I might even throw this joint on today. Don't play around, man. It's about to be 73 up here. But anyway, definitely happy with this pickup. Definitely a well-needed joint for me, in my opinion. Yeah, cause you know I got that big boy pause, but yeah, needed this one too. So anyway, man, 400 likes if y'all don't mind, appreciate it. Again, shout sense on this, you know what I'm saying? You told me, get this, you know what I'm saying? And that's what I definitely did. So anyway, man, shout out to the Wave Mob, everybody that's been rocking with me, liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter be. But that's Snap.
Bro, I want my money if you don't do it, bro.
It's your boy Wavy. I know this is my channel. I'm still at your beach, like I always like to say. See you when I see you. Ow.